In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. If you don't have a suggestion strip on, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then hit System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Lastly, after hitting text correction option over here, use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. As you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!